Today I'm taking you to the absolute #1 tourist destination, the place every traveler visits at least once. We're in Myeongdong. As you can see on the map, Myeongdong is this huge area. If it's your first time here, it can feel like a maze, filled with waves of tourists. Trying to see this whole neighborhood can be overwhelming and exhausting. So instead, I suggest sticking to the main streets. This is enough to get the full Myeongdong experience while saving your energy and time. Today, I'm guiding you through this busy neighborhood, covering 13 spots that you don't want to miss. This tour will take about 3 hours, so put on your walking shoes. We start our tour near Myeongdong Station Exit 6. You'll see a building with a big Oliveyoung sign, but skip that Oliveyoung for now. We're going to visit a much bigger, iconic location later, one that is much better for photos too. Head straight to the building next door to find BAF. Unless you're allergic to nuts, I personally think this place is worth your money. They have nuts coated in every flavor imaginable. Cookie and cream, matcha, cherry jubilee, honey butter, and much more. And they're actually really good. They also have small portion ready for you to try. I bought myself 2 packs today. It's about 8,000 Korean won per pack. My tip: it's a great idea to buy in bulk here. They make perfect souvenirs to share with friends back home. Just a few steps down the street is Butter, a store selling cute lifestyle items. Warning: their stock rotates quickly. If you see something you like, buy it right away because it probably won't be there next time you visit Korea. On your way to the next stop, if you keep walking down the street, you'll see the tourist helpers run by Seoul City. If you have any questions about Myeongdong or Seoul in general, just say hi. They speak different languages, so don't worry about the language barrier. You can also drop by their office right next door. Next up, for all you Line Friends character lovers, is the Line Friends store. Their items are cute and high quality. On the second floor, they have a K-pop Demon Hunter zone. Apparently, it's a pop-up style floor, so it might be gone soon. I asked a staff member and she told me this will be here until at least February, but I think it'll stick around for a while even after that. And even if you aren't buying anything, you must drop by to take a photo with the cute decoration at the entrance. It changes every season. This winter, it's a Christmas tree. It's a classic Myeongdong photo spot. Now let's get creative. We're heading to the special Nike Seoul store. As far as I know, this is one of the few selected Nike stores in Korea where you can customize items in store. You can add Seoul patches or Hangul to your apparel, making it a high-quality souvenir you can actually wear. If Nike isn't your style, just cross the street to the New Balance store. You can do the exact same type of customization there too. Next, time to shop for K-pop. Our next stop is WithMu. They have 2 floors of merchandise, including small stickers, keychains, albums, and light sticks. Take some time to look around if you came to Korea for your favorite K-pop band merchandise. Now remember the Oliveyoung we skipped at the beginning? We're finally going to the Oliveyoung. This is the Myeongdong Town branch, the second biggest in Korea. By the way, the biggest is in Seongsu, which is over 4 times the size of this one. If Olivyeong was on your Korea bucket list, you can easily spend an hour just here. Unfortunately, I couldn't film inside, but it's spacious, has everything, and it's great for testing products. Let's take a break from the crowds and walk up the street to the Myeongdong Cathedral. Built in 1898, this is one of the oldest cathedrals in Korea and the site of the first liturgy on the Korean peninsula. Even if you aren't Catholic, the architecture is stunning. It's a beautiful photo spot and a significant piece of Korean Catholic history. You should be hungry by now. There are tons of options in Myeongdong, but the most famous one is Myeongdong Kyoja. This place has been a Michelin beef gourmand for the past 9 years and is famous for its kalguksu, minced beef noodles, and mandu, dumplings, at a reasonable price. I tried it a few years ago and I remember the food being incredible value for money. This restaurant has 3 locations in Myeongdong and all 3 are always super busy, so you will likely need to wait in line. But don't worry, the turnover rate is super fast, so the line shrinks quickly. Just pick the branch with the shortest line. But please note, when I visited in mid-January 2026, one location was under renovation, so you'll have to visit one of the other 2. Heading back to the station area, our second K-pop option is K-Mecca. This place is similar to the first one, but if you didn't find what you were looking for earlier, definitely try this one. Now we're back to the Myeongdong station and in front of it, look at this tower. This is the biggest Daiso in Korea, the 12-story Daiso. In case you don't know, Daiso is a dollar store where everything is 5,000 won maximum. Considering the price, the quality is pretty decent. Because it's so massive, let me tell you one strategy. Take the elevator all the way to the top floor and walk down the stairs, shopping floor by floor. Trust me, you will find at least one product you like in this building. Our final stop on the map is Ami Skin Clinic. I'm not the best person to ask about skincare, but even I've heard of this place. If you're interested in K-beauty treatments, this is a popular spot right here in Myeongdong. The tour is technically over, but Myeongdong is not Myeongdong without its endless street food stalls. But to be honest, while some items are affordable, others are pretty expensive. I recommend trying simple things like keranbang, egg bread, or dalgona just for experience. Don't try to fill up on a full meal. Treat it like a tasting menu. In summary, Myeongdong offers a little bit of everything. This neighborhood has everything tourists expect from Korea. And if you are planning to purchase K-pop merchandise, you probably won't find a better place than here. That's it for my 2026 Myeongdong guide. If this helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more guide videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.